Thank you for joining us on this day of real significance, the inauguration of a new blending facility here in Patalganga. Today is a proud moment because it represents a journey that has unfolded over the past 2 years. A journey that was built through careful planning, disciplined execution, and teamwork across many functions. Importantly, it was built through a close collaboration with our operating partner, LSR Specialty Oils, whose expertise in high-quality blending has been integral to bringing this facility to life. The inauguration of this new blending facility marks a key milestone for Infineum in India. By strengthening our local capabilities in one of Maharashtra's leading chemical manufacturing hubs, we are significantly enhancing supply reliability, shortening lead times, and improving the agility with which we serve our customers. For Infineum India, this milestone also reflects an India-centric direction aligned with the ambition of Atmanirbhar Bharat, that is, building local capability, strengthening resilience, and contributing to the long-term value creation through localization.
India plays a critical role in Infineum's global growth strategy. The new facility supports greater supply reliability, improved responsiveness, and the capability to deliver higher performance technologies with consistency and care. It enhances our ability to serve your evolving needs, grounded in our global standards of safety, environmental performance, and energy efficiency. We also see this as a platform for the future. We are not only expanding capability. Beyond that, we are building the foundation for future innovation, deeper localization, and long-term collaboration in India.